What's up, traders? Watching Snapchat like a hawk. Shorted it earlier, just a little practice short. Um, Made a quick 45 bucks on it. My next resistance right here, it's on the breakout right now. My next resistance is the 659 area. I wanted to see if these buyers keep stepping up, see if we could push it to 659. See a lot of buyers coming in right now, so we're just gonna watch this thing like a hawk. See where it has problems at. Now I'm seeing a lot of sellers coming in at 645. Knocking up short on the front side of the move. This thing's still making higher highs. Huge sellers at 645. This thing could still push, you guys. It could still push. Let's see what it does right here. Got a lot of sellers at 645. We're gonna try to sell it right here, you guys. Sell it again. 1,000 shares. We just shorted 1,000 at 644. Risk is gonna be 650 area. The reason my confirmation was the big sellers right here. Down a penny so far. Try to probably break. They're trying to break the 650 area. It is kind of sweet squeezing, you guys. Want to see the crack of the trend. Currently down $24. I should have been a little more patient with this, you guys. Waited till it got to my little target area. Kind of jumped the gun a little bit on that. Got a lot of buyers right here at 646. It's not looking good for the short. It's not looking good for me, you guys. I just wanted to break my trend. I know a lot of longs take profits when it breaks the trend, and I know a lot of shorts pile on. So right now there's a lot of buyers coming in. Still holding the trend. Just got a higher high. Not seeing a wall of sellers. Looking like it's gonna uptick. Should have actually kind of went long on this, but want to test my strategy out. Very dangerous shorting this, you guys. Very dangerous. So far down like 50 bucks. A lot of buyers cut stepping up. Let's see if it breaks 650. Watching this thing really close. Bid finally dropped off. Bid finally dropping off. Want to see this thing break below the 9 EMA. Want to see some red volume bars come in. Because I'm usually long, you guys, I know how the longs are thinking. That's why before you guys ever start shorting, I think you should start longing on paper trade or whatever first. Hopefully this thing should crash right now. The breakout is failing. So I hope this thing crashes. Kind of want to add, but I don't want to add to a loser. This is still a loser. That's one of the rules. You guys don't want to ever add to a losing position. Topped off at 650. Let's see if any sellers come in. Still testing the 9 EMA right now. Testing our 9. Kind of broke the trend on the 1 minute, on the 3 minute, but it's still holding above 640. Still making a higher low, so bad sign. Want to see a wall of sellers step up at 649, 650, 647. Got the algos kicking in. Want to see this thing start making a downtrend. Just basically risking what I made earlier on it. Earlier, I tried to sell half and I accidentally got out the whole position. So gotta be a little more careful right here. 9 EMA kind of holding. Testing the 9 EMA right here. I kind of want it back below VWAP. I mean, I want it to cut back to come to VWAP and test VWAP or test 630. A lot of times, not today, but a lot of times, Snapchat or a lot of stocks, they'll take this like stairs, 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 then elevator drop, stairs, stairs, stairs. So I just need like one good or two good elevator drops so I could cover this position. Right now, I'm kind of thinking it's topping off. Thinking. We'll see right now. Let's see. I don't see that much sellers still. Sellers are still on the sidelines. A few buyers at 646. Almost even right now. Want to see more selling stepping up right here because right now we're shorting, guys. So we want to see more size on this side, on the ask side. We want to see more of this in the red, not green. This is a real big float on this, so these are kind of a little slow. Not liking this little flag pattern for longs right here. Excuse me. I hope it doesn't crack the 650. I know hoping is not a strategy, you guys, but I'm just saying I hope it does not crack 650. Hope it stays under here. I mean, it just made a higher high. Big sellers at 649. Let's see this test again. A lot of buyers coming in on the sidelines. Yes. See that, you guys? We got big sellers at 650. Hopefully it won't crack the 650. Look at this. Huge sellers at the 650 area. Should be getting stuffed right here. Should be. Not sure, you guys. Sometimes somebody will take these guys out. Gotta watch anybody bluff, and sometimes they'll bluff and they'll pop the order out to scare somebody and then pull their order, pull their offer. So I don't see anybody big coming on the bidder side to crack these guys out. If I was really confident in my strategy, you guys, I'm still new at shorting, so I'm not too confident in this strategy yet. I would add a little right here. But let me just see. Just got through those guys. Bad sign, you guys. Bad sign. Let's see if they take it back down. These guys, either some of them pulled their offer. I wasn't paying attention to the times and sales too much. Either somebody pulled their offer or they got taken out. Wasn't paying attention. Gonna rewind and look at that again. Down $69. Gotta be patient with this, you guys. This is my original risk area, 659. Want to see it really get stuffed right here. Let's see if it holds this new trend. Hopefully it doesn't. Big buyers at 651, you guys. This is the ultimate test right here, 650 area. Shorts covering, few shorts covering. Got some buyers stepping up, 651. Beautiful downtick, beautiful rejection so far. I think we had some hidden sellers, you guys. Couldn't see that too much, but there had to be a few hidden sellers right there. Let's see if they try to hold this thing. I want to see some red volume start coming in, some red volume bars. I want to see some longs give up on this. Some people still catching the dips. Trying to hold it above the 650 area. I want to see lower highs and lower lows right now. And I want to see a wall of sellers too. Not seeing a wall of sellers right now. Hope. Let's see if it gets rejected again. The reason I check the news, you guys, sometimes I'll see volume coming in and just want to make sure no news popped up or anything. Got some buyers coming in at 650. Ultimate test again, 650 again. A lot of algos kicking in. Buyers buying 651. Fighting right here. Bidders still trying to hold it up above 650. This thing is finally cracking. This thing is finally cracking, you guys. Still seeing some buyers at 648 though. Was watching this earlier. Volume wasn't enough for me. Spread was kind of far. Still is kind of far. Snapchat still testing 650 area. I want to see it really start going in a downtrend. So far, I got 2 points. A little covering at 649. Looks like it's having problems breaking the 650 area. Let's switch to internet. Sometimes I like it just to make sure everything's going up according to speed. Something's going on with the internet. What's going on? Okay, let me turn on the hotspot. Okay. I guess the other one was faster. Got a decent wall at 650 right now. Sorry about that, you guys. Let me go back to the home internet. I live in the worst area when it comes to internet. I see people trading in China and getting better reception sometimes than me. Just making sure everything's okay. Still trying to break right here. Finally see some selling pressure coming in. Looking like it's topping off. Still testing, you guys. Still testing. If I see this thing crack hard, you guys, I'm gonna sell another probably 500 shares. If I see it crack hard. If I see it start going on a downtrend, so far I got three lower highs so far, you guys. Let's see if it holds. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it holds. Still got bidders on 648, trying to protect the 648 area. Lower highs on the 1 minute candle also. Don't want to be biased, you guys. Just want to see where the trend is going. Let's see where this shit goes right here. Looks like some buyers finally gave up, trying to push this above 650. It's kind of getting to lunchtime. It might slow down a little bit. It might not. Let's see right here. Still got buyers at 648. 3 lower highs so far on the 1 minute. Not seeing lower lows too much. Kind of holding right here. Want to see some lower lows and lower highs, really. Gonna have this right here just in case, you guys. If I see a hard crack, I might add 500 shares, maybe. Not seeing that hard crack. Another wall coming in at 650. Bidder still at 649 right now. Let's see if it gets stuffed by the 9 EMA. Need some buyers to step up. If they want to crack the 9 EMA and crack 650 resistance, they're going to need some buyers to step up, which they do have a lot of buyers, you guys. So we don't know. They might have some buyers step up. I have 1,000 shares. Kind of testing our 650 right now. This is my big area right here, 660, you guys. I can't see a crack 660. We cannot see a crack 660. Remove these drawings. Get a little clearer picture. Excuse me. Still watching, you guys. Testing 650 again. Down tick. Excuse me. What is my average price? My average price is 644. So I short is like right here, you guys. Want to see a downturn, man. I want to finally see this thing crack hard. Here we go. There we go, you guys. Finally a crack. Couldn't break the 650. I'm gonna sell another 1,000 shares. Just sold another 1,000 shares. Some covering going on. Gotta break the 644, you guys. This is a sign of weakness, this crack right here. Want to really see it crack down. Want to see it stay below this, you guys. Want to see a lower low right here. Still got some buyers on the sidelines. Gotta have patience with this trade today. Had quick trades earlier. This one's taking a little longer. Right now it's under the 90 MA, so good sign. You can see that hard drop on because that was resistance at 650 and the 90 MA right here. Still got some buyers trying to dip buy right here. I want to see shorts coming in and start attacking right here. Give it a second to chill out, you guys. I want to see how the 5 minutes looking. Still got buyers at 646. Not doing what I want, you guys. That's why you don't add to a loser. You don't add to a losing position, you guys. But I added. I seen the crack. I thought I was gonna keep cracking. Dip buyers caught the dip. Let's see if it breaks the 9 EMA. I want to see it keep getting stuffed by the 9 and by 650 resistance. It's gonna take a lot to break that 650. You seen all this. You guys, they tried to break it. They couldn't really break it, but they might be able to try again, break it again. So sometimes it won't break on the first time, but maybe on the second, third time it might break. But I want to see it go down before another push, before they try to push it up again. Finally, a little downtick. Finally got some sellers coming in. Next support is at 637. I really want to see it break. Really want to see it break 637. What's going on? Come on. If it goes below 637, it could test VWAP or test the 630 area. It could even fail VWAP. It could even hold VWAP, but we're going to give it a second to try to see what happens, you guys. Another little down tick. Few dip buyers trying to hold up 645. Here we go, down tick, you guys. Good down tick. Up $61. Let's see if our plan works out or not. Want to see a downtrend. So far, so good. Got to be a little more patient with this one, you guys. I'm gonna grab my grab a water. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. I see them trying to hold it at 645. Let's see if we can get a crack. We got a big buyer at 646, 644. Watch this thing close. When I walk away, you guys, when I step away, I got my phone with me, so I don't just walk away. So I don't want you guys just to think like, oh, he just walks away. I got my phone and I got my alert right here, just in case. So let's see what happens here. Lunchtime slowing down a bit. Making sure. Gotta get new internet soon. Another quick uptick. Off small shares though, very tiny shares. Sellers protecting the 9 EMA. How's the daily looking? Still kind of strong on the daily. Not holding our downtrend. Looking like a shoulders, head. Might start forming a shoulder soon. Just want to see a drop to 640. Or next support 635, 638. Maybe a test of VWAP. Before it goes on up, I really want to see a test right here. Lower highs on the 1 minute, lower lows. Higher highs, I mean, and higher lows. Excuse me. 650, the test of 650 again. A lot of sellers coming in again. This thing could hold the trend line going this way. That's like, I mean, I was gonna do extend to the right. I want to see it go this way. I want to see it go this way. Shorts want to see it go this way. I mean, longs want to see it go this way. Shorts want to see it go this way. Maybe even this way, straight down. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. It's not. This is like a big, has like 1 billion shares in the float, 100 million or something like that. It's not like a low float where it could just crash really hard. It could crash really hard with a lot of shorts. But it's a little safer than those other stocks we'd be playing. A lot of buying volume today, though. A lot of buying volume. Down $84. I'm gonna pause the video for now, you guys. Finally found the pause button, so let me pause this for now, and I'll bring you guys up to date. All right, you guys. A few minutes later, I just wanted to resume the video so you guys could see the swallow sellers. Somebody's protecting the 650 area really hard. He's been here like for 5 minutes, keeps adding, and it's hard to get through this guy. But if they do get through this guy, we could have a huge pop. If they don't make it through this guy, we might drop down real fast. So I wanted to just throw this on so you could guys watch the level 2 and see if this guy gets chipped away or if these guys get chipped away. How much shares do I have? I have 2,000 shares. I'll have this on 2,000 just in case. This guy's still here. Look at 20,000 shares, then 10,000 shares. And he's not going away so far. So far, looking okay. But earlier, there was a huge wall. They broke through him. Right now, it's like momentum slowing down, so they didn't get through him again. So now it might go down. A lot of longs might see that guy right there and probably give up, sell their position. Want to see that happen. Some sellers coming in right here. Being hella patient with this one, you guys. Finally touching our 647 area where we got in. That's the newest support. 647. So it's right now it's fighting between 647 and 650. Really want to see the crack of the 647. Want to really go to 637, 630. Just need a couple down hard candles. Right now we're at 646. Still got buyers at 646, sellers at 647. Next support after that is right here, you guys. 644 area. Gotta crack that. After that, we have a little room. It's about lunchtime, you guys. Every time it's like, here, we gotta drop to 641, you guys. Just made 100. I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take 1,000 shares off. Just give me a second. I got a huge wall of sellers right here at 642. It could drop even more. Just give me a second, you guys. Just give me a second. It's like a moving target. Gotta remember, buy back. I made a mistake the other day practicing where I sold it again, so I shorted more. They're trying to hold up the 640 area. They're trying to hold up the 640 area. Might buy 1,000 back. Just bought 1,000 back, you guys. Just to lock in profits, just in case this thing goes back on up. Holding 1,000 for another crack. Slow trade, just wanted to really practice the shorting. You know what I mean? Could have been a little more patient. Next time I'm gonna be a little more patient. Excuse me. Still see a wall at 642. When you guys sell some of your shares, locking profits, it helps with the emotions, or you can just hold on. Even you might even break even if it goes back to your stop, or it might save you from a huge loss. So far, only up like I think I locked in like 50 bucks or 100 bucks. Or I really want to see this thing crack, go back to where it belongs. Maybe test VWAP, possibly even. I'm just chilling because I wanted to test the 9 EMA, you guys. Don't want to see this and this crossover on the way up. If this is on the way up VWAP and this starts going up and they crossover, that's a bullish signal. So I don't want to see a crossover. I want to see this thing crack this area right here. If it cracks this area, we could have a hard drop, maybe to 630. If it cracks this area, 630, 640, 637 area, where it broke out and then became resistance right here. A lot of dip buyers might come scoop up some shares right here. We got to watch them. Watch the volume, watch the bid. You see them right here, 169. We need more buyers at 641. I mean, we need more sellers right now at 641. Crack the 640. Need to crack the 640. Got a big wall of buyers at 640. Want to see the short sellers take them down on the times and sales on the sidelines. Don't see a wall right here. See some algos. I don't see huge size selling. They're waiting for that test of 640, shorts and longs. This is my price target area. If it doesn't quite get there, sometimes I'll change the plan a little bit. But so far, it's looking good so far. The problem I have is I have bidders at 640 right now. So we got bidders 640. Right now I see 3 lower lows. So we need one more lower low. A possible good crack right here. 640 holding right now. We need a drop. I'm looking to buy back around 635 to get the hell out of here. $640 holding so far. Got a wall of buyers still at 640. Trying to hold it up. Possible shorts covering 640. Trying to get under that 640. Still got buyers right here trying to buy the dip. Don't want to see another some buyers start coming in, form another uptrend, so I'm gonna have my finger on the trigger just in case. Get close to the trigger at least. One in the chamber, you guys. It just dropped off. Bid just dropped off. Good sign. Hopefully I see some panicking. Hopefully I see some panic going on. We want to see some panicking. Here we go. Want to see some panicking coming in. I want to see some good panicking right here. Right here. Right here is where this became new support. Over here. We want to see it break through this area, test VWAP. If it breaks through this area, test VWAP. Got some dip buyers that came in at buying at support. I'm gonna get the hell out of here, you guys, because I see a lot of dip buyers trying to buy. So I'm gonna buy market, take my money, and run. We are out of this thing with $122. Quick little short trade, you guys. Recognize the break, recognize the trend. Anybody has any questions, you already know. Remember, like and subscribe. Peace out.